Hey seekers! We are Mat and Angie, the queer couple wandering around Italy on a rainbow van. It's our last day in Sardinia, and we are so excited to have found the footage of Cagliari. So, no more talks, and let's start! Hey seekers!
Good morning!
Today we are gonna go explore Cagliari.
Yeah! There are many things we wanna see and
many food we wanna try.
Yeah, but that one you'll see in the food tour of Cagliari, that it's already online. We are parked next to the little marina of Cagliari. There are many boats and super nice. It'll be a long day of walking around Cagliari. We are so excited! Let's go!
But first, let's visit Tuvixeddu Park with the Necropolis of Caralis.
Here it's closed. Maybe from up you can see better the necropolis, but right now it's closed.
We never know.
Yeah, we are not prepared, but we like it. We go explore.
We didn't enjoy a lot this visit of the necropolis because the view of the Iters Park it closed. So we see only the necropolis from underneath. We saw on Google that the view from a viewpoint is very nice, but we didn't enjoy it. We hope you are most lucky.
And you find it open.
Yeah.
This is Santuario di Nostra Signora di Bonaria. It is quite big, but the problem is that it's closed because it has the strangest opening hours time. It's open from 7 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and from 4:30 p.m. to 7 p.m., which makes no sense to us. Anyway, nice to explore it also from the outside. The face of the one that always is wrong on Google Maps. It's incredible, you guys. Even with the map in front of her, she looking at it, she's always wrong. It's incredible.
But without map, I'm so good at orienteering.
No, that's so fake. No. Remember Labirinto dell'Amazone? If you haven't seen it,
you were only lucky.
No. If you haven't seen it, go watch it, and you'll see that I'm the one with a great sense of orienteering.
You are only lucky.
No, I'm not lucky.
Yeah.
I'm also lucky, but I'm also really good at orienteering.
No. We are in front of Basilica di San Saturnino. Let's explore the inside.
And this basilica, it's the favorite one of Angie. Because when we were planning this tour of when we were planning this tour of Cagliari, she was, oh, I want to see the Basilica of San Saturnino. I cannot miss it. And so she wanted to include it. There was a man inside of this basilica that asked us to sign the book with probably they take count of how many people enter and from wherever they are. And he told us that coming on the side of this basilica, you can see some ancient ruins. So we are curious and we're gonna check them out. Ooh, that's cool. And this place is completely free. Such a bargain. Here we have just had a good lunch and
Super ice cream.
super good. So if you want to see it, go check it out, our food tour.
And now let's continue our tour of Cagliari.
Yeah.
And now we are just arrived at the Bastione di San Remy.
Please vote for Angie always to go catch the GoPro. Leave in the comment below that she has to do it sometimes too, because she never does it.
Under the Elephant Tower. And now we are in front of Chiesa di Santa Maria, Regina dei Sardi.
We are now in front of the Anfiteatro Romano of Cagliari. The price to go inside, what is it?
3 euros.
3 euros, right.
For 30 minutes.
And you are on a street that goes next to the Anfiteatro, but you cannot actually go in the middle of the Anfiteatro. It's worth the money if you have them, but if we can save some euros, we prefer to do that.
Yeah.
And so you can actually see the Anfiteatro from above, like here. There's this fence, but you can actually step on this little step here and see it from above, and it's so worth it. It's so beautiful and and free, which is okay for us. And just to add it, right now the Anfiteatro is closed. I don't know why. Probably they are trying to conserve it and renovating it. Maybe because it's low season. Probably it's closed for that. But even if we wanted to spend those €3, we couldn't have made it because it's closed. So, but the view from outside, it's just as great as from there. Seekers, if you had any doubt, I'm here to confirm you that I'm fucking genius. We spent the last 2 hours in a public library of the university here in Cagliari. Since we had already finished the tour, we decided to get some work done, and I had the idea of going inside one of this kind of public library. And we managed to be seated, have some charging station, and work from there. It was great. They were super nice. They let us in with no problem. Just asked for our ID, technically, and the green pass. And it went so smooth. And we had a bathroom where to pee, which was great. That's definitely something we are gonna use in the future. Mm-hmm. And now we are going to end our food tour because we have an amazing aperitivo and dinner coming. But for this vlog, it's everything. And if you wanna see what we have eaten and what we're gonna eat in Cagliari, you have to go check out our food tour.
Bye, seekers.
Bye.